Just missed one. It pounded it too.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Positively Fishing. I am in the garage right now, but I am about to head out to meet Kyle, and we are going to try to catch some saugers through the ice on the Mississippi River. Neither of us have been to this spot before, but it is a well-known community spot. I got a tip from my buddy Scott, so shout out Scott for the tip. Hopefully we can find some fish today. We're not really sure exactly how it's gonna go, but basically we are gonna go out to about 20 feet of water, drill some holes, and see if we can jig up some saugers. Should be a great day either way. Stay tuned. First fish of the day, little white bass. Had a pretty slow start, so hopefully picks up and we get something other than that, but at least that's more than nothing, right? More than nothing. All right, that's more like it. Got that guy in a ripping wrap, huh?
And if you can't tell, he smoked it.
He ate that thing. What is that, about a 16-inch sauger, you think?
It's a dinner sauger, is what it is.
All right, looks like we might have something going now. Well, looks like Kyle might have something going now.
I started with that. Actually, no. I started
So we got a little chubby darter there.
yeah, and then so I went to the gold one, and that's when I got the white bass.
And then
And I just dropped that down and smoked.
awesome. And then like it's probably about a 16-inch sauger or so.
That's a nice one.
That's more like it. That's what we came out here for.
That's a nice one. I thought it was a walleye at first.
So did I when I first saw its face. I was like, no way! First one through the ice. Let's go. Yeah, that's probably. I mean, that's a decent P4 one right there.
That's a nice sauger. That was on that same UV orange.
Same color,
Yeah.
same size, number 4.
All right. All right. Finally, first fish of the day for me, right here. Ooh, walleye. Not very big, but like I said, first one of the day. Better than not catching anything at all. Not anywhere near as nice as the 2 that Kyle got, but put this guy back down the hole. Then we'll see if I can get another one. Got another one. That one I didn't even see coming. Got this little guy on that same VMC rattle spoon. This one's pretty small, so that one go back down the hole. See if we can get another one. A nice little sauger.
Come up off the bottom.
Yeah, actually in the last couple minutes there's been a lot more activity.
Really?
I missed one since you went back over there. I missed one, and then I've had a couple other come up and look but not take it, I'm assuming. But yeah, nice little sauger. Caught that one on a little VMC rattle spoon.
Minnow head on it?
Yep.